Okay, unboxing from Glamlight. I ordered the 𝗟𝗡𝗢 palette, and I'm really excited. Okay. Bubble wrap. Let's turn it this way. I'm getting really good at opening things with one hand, y'all. So let me just get the box out of here right quick. So let's just like marvel at how gorgeous this is, like the glitter and everything. Like that's absolutely gorgeous. And then of course there is 𝗟𝗡𝗢 and her little blurb on the back. Like her eye makeup, I can't get over that. Super gorgeous. So I'm super excited about this. And of course it came with a little insert. So it shows her whole, it shows the whole 𝗟𝗡𝗢 set, but I just got the palette. There's so many eyelashes I don't even know what to do with these days. So, and on the back we have her thank you. So cute. So I am ready to not tear into this, but like, you know, tear into this. So let's see if I can do it one-handed, which is always what I aim for these days. So we're going. Can she do it? Oh, she did it. Okay. So here. Whoa. So I'm a fan of like all things shiny and all things glitter, so it's gonna be really hard for me to not just take this palette everywhere I go and just shake it and play with it. That is adorable, and I love it, and props to 𝗟𝗡𝗢 on that one. And then on the back, it gives you the hashtag, and it gives you ingredients and everything like that. I still can't get over this, it's so cute. Okay. So let's open. Let's see which way this opens. Does it open? Oh. It has a mirror, but oh, I love that it has like a little piece of cardboard right there so that it doesn't give you the full effect of the mirror. But let's take this off and let's just, oh my gosh. I love that these are like named after things that she says and things that she likes. And for those of you that don't follow 𝗟𝗡𝗢, like she's from Massachusetts, so like masshole, that's what they call some people from Massachusetts, not all, but yeah. Oh my gosh. So there are a couple that I will swatch just on my fingers real quick. Let's do like 2 matte and 2 glitter. So let's do, let me actually take a couple pictures here. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let's, I don't know about you, but I'm wanting to get some of this right here. So we're just gonna do a little bit of that. Oh, let's see if we can get up right there. So we'll get a little bit more of that. And then let's go to, I don't ever usually swatch greens, so let's do a green. And then I said that I would do 2 matte ones. So let's get a pink. And then let's do masshole, because that one's kind of calling me. Okay. And that, my friends, that is straight pigment. Like, absolutely gorgeous. Like, let me actually close the palette and see if the colors show up better. Yeah, that's like really good. I'm absolutely in love. And these are buttery, like super buttery, like these are nice. I don't want to do it with the rest of them because I'll taint the color, but they're all like the metallics are like really buttery, and the matte ones are just, I'm gonna have some fun with this. It's a really fun palette. I like it so far. And I haven't even made any looks with it yet. So yes, definite yes. Love, 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 love. All right. Thank you for joining me on my unboxing of the Michaela palette. See y'all later. Stay beautiful.